Okay, this is my solution on how to install the Coleman MadDog gear seat pad onto a Honda 2013 CRF 250L seat. You put it on this way, the buckles get in the way, and it does not fit on properly. So you have to remove the buckles. The only thing I can think of is to do what you're about to see me to do here. I want to remove these buckles without cutting the strap. All you got to do is cut one side, and the other side bends out a little bit so you can slide that right off. Do the other side. I took a chance at this. I figured for 17 bucks it's worth it. It's either that or $400 for a Corbin. So the strap comes off, across the other side. And what I do is I take scissors, I cut the inside of this loop right here so nobody can see it from the outside. Okay, and that's cut. I'll take the trusty red lighter. I'll burn the end of that so it doesn't fray anymore. I'm wearing gloves because my hands are trashed. I've been pulling weeds for 3 days by hand. Nobody wants to see my fingers. I chose this position because it puts this rear strap in between these two items. You can see where the black marks are. That sits on top of the frame right here and here and across here and here. And so the buckles always got in the way and sat on those frames and didn't allow the seat to sit all the way down. I figured, what the heck? Just install it this way. I'm not going to send this $17 item back. I don't want to hold on to it. I'm trying to put, see, and then I'm stapling it down. And I'm trying to put the staples in where they usually are below the other staples, in case I got to remove it. Then I won't just allow holes to be there. But as you can see, that does not change any dynamics at the seat, so it should be able to fit. I haven't even tried this yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work.